Hey there, welcome to Documint. We're super excited to introduce you to our e-signature feature. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set everything up so you can easily send documents to your signers. Plus, we'll go over all the signature settings you need to know. Ready to dive in? First things first, if you're using a custom data source for your template, you'll want to create a collection field to hold all the signers' info. Once you have that collection field, add the necessary fields for your signers: name, email, and signing order. Just a heads up, name and email are required, and it's important to get the field types just right. Name and email should both be strings, while signing order needs to be a number. And don't forget to hit save once you're all set up. Let's get started. If you're integrating the template using the Airtable connection, you'll need a table with your signers' details linked to your main table. In that table, make sure you include the following fields: name and email, both required, and feel free to add a signing order field as well. The name field should be a single-line text, while the email needs to be an email field, and the signing order field should be a number. Once you have that sorted, let's head to the integration section of your template. You'll see the destinations area there. Click on the Documint Sign option to tweak your settings. In the general section, you can specify the number of days for signers to sign the document before it expires. There's also an option to require all signers, which means the document will only be complete once everyone is signed. If it's off, the document will be marked complete as soon as one signer adds their signature plus. You can turn on auto reminders to gently nudge signers if a week passes without a signature. In the sender section, fill in your name and the email from which the document will be sent. Then, in the signers section, select the field containing the signer's info. You'll need to specify which fields are for name and email. If you set up a signing order, this is where you'll configure it. When you toggle this option on, a signer number field will pop up for you to choose from. Finally, there's a message section where you can set the title and the message you'd like to send to the signers. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save. Now, let's hop over to the design page, where you'll find the option to add the e-signature field in the Add pane. There are 4 choices for signing elements. The e-signature field adds a basic signing component. The date field automatically inserts the current date. The initials field will show the signer's initials, and the text field allows the signer to input whatever they need. In each signing field, you can edit the e-sign field settings by clicking on this cog icon to mark it as required and organize the signing order according to what you set up earlier. You can also adjust the spacing of the signing component. When you click on an e-sign field, the Properties pane will pop up for you to customize it. You can choose the style of the signature line or opt out if you prefer no line at all. If you want a signing box instead, you can add it using the line type option. Feel free to edit the size, border, and spacing of the e-sign element, change the text color, align the component, set background colors, add borders and corners, and fine-tune the label properties. After you've set everything up on the template, let's finish the integration and get those documents ready for signing. If your template is linked to Airtable, be sure to enable e-signing. Now, let's send a document for signature using our base. Just generate the document, and an email with the signing request will be sent out. Here's how the signing process goes for the signer. For the initials field, it's already mapped from the name field, but no worries. You can edit it too. They can choose the font, draw it, or even upload an image. The signature field works the same way, and for the text input field, they can type in what they need. Plus, the date field will automatically fill in. And that's it. You've just sent your first document for signing. You'll get an email notification as soon as the document is signed. In the email, you can easily check out the document, see its current status, and find out who is signing it at the moment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to check out our documentation or reach out to our support team. Can't wait to see you next time.